myself, Abhimanyu, I'm the founder of Potter.me. This is Mayank, my co-founder. So, in terms of the idea, Otter is basically your smart identity in the form of a personal bot. It simplifies anything that you want into a conversation by pulling anything and everything about you from social networks or any data you want to add, and then you can train it by simply talking to it and let it talk to the world on your behalf by responding to their questions and maybe any messages. So that's pretty much it. We have a lot of influencers, celebrities who are currently using the platform to automate the fan emails, the frequently asked questions from their followers. We have businesses who are automating customer service using the bot. Then we have normal professionals and freelancers who can use it to build better profile, resumes, and portfolios. So there's multiple use cases for different segments, but currently we're focused on influencers and bloggers as a key segment. So that's what Potter.me does. We started like 5 months ago. Currently we are in private beta. We just launched today. And we're really happy to be, attending this event because that has opened up, a lot of things for us. And I'm sure there'll be a lot of learnings from it, which I can talk about later. But over to you, man.
Yeah. So as he said, so right now, bot space is getting like so much buzzwords. So like we have Messenger, Slack, Telegram. All these people are you can create your own bot. But to creating bot on these platforms, you need to have a certain level of you need to know certain level of technology like coding and all those things. But on our platform, like any mom or any person on the planet, they just need to have any social account. You just come to our platform, log in with this account, and there your bot is ready. So just a one click to get to between your bot and you. So that's really good about it.
So the litmus test for us is in terms of experience. If you're like man said, if your mother or grandmother can create a bot, right, like using WhatsApp, then we have really cracked the experience for our end users. That's what we're driving towards. It's a global platform, by the way. In fact, 70% of our traffic comes from outside India, primarily US, UK, and Canada.
And it's just like chatting on WhatsApp. So like most of the people, all the people are used to chat on WhatsApp, right? So if you want to train your bot, just chat like WhatsApp. It automatically gets the data, train on your likes, dislikes, and also like we are taking certain cases like we have thousands of people, so we are gathering their data based on their likes, dislikes. We suggest your questions. So and then if you don't like something, you can delete, add it. Like everything is there.
So there is no single factor, let me put it that way. I mean, so just to give you some context, so I have been part of the startup space for the last 3 years, pretty much when the boom was sort of starting up. I led the Labs Bangalore for a couple of years before jumping into my sort of own thing. So I work with, I've seen thousands of startups, entrepreneurs. I work personally hands-on with 50 startups across B2B, B2C space in India. So the fundamental thing that goes into building I think obviously a lot of people will say team, which is definitely the case, but I think it's more about the core members, right? The core members who have the right attitude to make it happen. So the drive towards, the bigger cause. It's not a one-trick pony. You have to bust your ass, you have to work hard, you have to be determined, you have to be patient, right? And you have to be smart to get there. So these are like some of our learnings, personally speaking, but something which I have also observed in the successful startups I have seen personally over the last few years, not just in India, but in Valley as well, where I spent a bit of time. So yeah, those are fundamental ingredients. And ultimately it's, so other than team, I think obviously it's the focus on the product. So there is hardly any company, actually I'll challenge you to find even one company out of India that has become global consumer platform. Nothing comes to mind. There's few B2B startups, but nothing consumer. And that is our mission, to make a global product and platform out of India. And that's why we believe the focus, attention to detail, the finesse, the perfection that goes into building, the craftsmanship that goes into building a product is very important to us as a team. And that's our mindset in terms of building something which is unique and pretty novel. Again, so when I say the experience is the key, right? A global consumer product or platform is only built. Imagine if you used WhatsApp with a lot of bugs in it in day one, right?
Yeah.
You would probably not come back to it. Same goes with Facebook, same goes with Twitter, or any other platform. Now, I have personally seen a lot of smart people, really smart chaps from IITs, from solid backgrounds, without much attention to detail on the product side. And all these small issues, like what we call bugs, is just part of the experience. And if it spoils your experience once, it's very unlikely you'll come back again. And especially when you're targeting people across the world, right? So again, I'll go back to our cultural, and that is part of our philosophy as well. When we start things, right, we believe that Jugaad is something that works everywhere, even on the product side. Let's fix this, let's patch it here, let's patch it there, and let's roll it out, and it'll work. But it doesn't, right? And bottom line is, you have to understand where the loopholes are. You have to pay attention to those bottlenecks and those issues and those bugs. Those small things can become really big in terms of delivering the ideal experience. So that's why I feel, having this kind of event, and I'll be more than happy to talk about what our learnings are here, and I think what can be done and how important it is for other people who are coming here. But fundamentally, to any startup who is building a product, who is building a platform, they have to make sure the experience is spot on and do anything and everything that is possible to make it, seamless. I mean, so far so good. Honestly, in fact, again, being part of the startup ecosystem for the last 3.5 years, I can tell you that there is a lot of noise out there in terms of events, which are supposedly value adding to startups. But in terms of real value add, I would personally say this concept and this format is much more much more fruitful for any budding product startups or any sort of startups who are even at Series A. I'm not denying that, because a lot of products suck. A lot of products suck because of these issues which are being ignored. Any hackathon, any investorcon, any kind of other event that I've attended, demo days and stuff, at the end of the day, it's the value that is coming out to the startup, to the product, to the team, which is more important. So personally speaking, I've actually found the experience very, very useful. Yeah. We have interacted with a lot of people, pretty much everyone. We have discovered a lot of issues which we know, and we'll work on them. But this feedback has been invaluable, and I think you guys need to do it more frequently.
So basically, let's say everybody has their own QA team, right? But those people, they know the product, right? But they know the product, they are tags. Here, you find the people, you see the people who don't know the product, and they are the taggies. So first they look from the user perspective, and then they understand the product. That's how it goes. Then they go to the tag perspective. So that's why it's very important. So you get the user feedback, and also like there are some they always are way into the product, like hacks. So by understanding the product, they can go like one of the person, Santosh. He gave us really good bugs, which is very harmful for our system.
Okay, good. Yeah. Thank you. Anything you want to add?
Yeah. So I mean, just one thing. I think just adding on to Mayank's point, I think it's useful for any startup. I mean, once you come here, you realize what the end user thinks in terms of not just the bugs but the experience as well. And it's very hard to get pointed 100 people in the room testing your app, testing your product, giving you feedback, live feedback on not just like experience, but like literally to the depth of here is a step-by-step information in terms of how you can reproduce that issue and then improve on that. So that is pretty valuable. And I would encourage like any startups who's building a product to definitely consider it and give it a try.